Hello and welcome back to Pinball Help. Here we are working on the Earthshaker backglass, sealing it with Krylon triple thick. What we've done here is we've put a few coats down and let it dry, and we've got a few flaking pieces. So what I've done is I've sprayed it. While it was wet, I laid down some saran wrap or some Glad wrap, and I put something down on top of it to flatten it out because there was a few pieces that were flaking up. So now what I've done is it's dried. I've taken the things off of it, so we're going to remove the plastic wrap, and hopefully it will just come off nice and smooth without taking anything else off. And that is what's happened. And we'll take a look over here. And nice and smooth, and it's flattened it down nicely. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a few more coats over it now that it's flattened out, and continue to do this for a few times while I seal the back glass and get a nice clear coat over it, and that'll protect it and hopefully stop it from flaking anymore. And there we go.